Alright folks, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, cleanpowerwash.com. It's a commercial roof cleaning we were doing the other day. It's already wet because the line didn't have the soap quite yet into it. So one big thing you can notice as we're doing this is that I would spray what we could from a particular spot and then reposition. You see it's pink. We're using our regular roof mix plus a little bit of apple wash, give it a nice cover scent and some cling to it. You can see very little runoff with this roof. It really wasn't that dirty overall, especially on this particular side. One of the other sides was much dirtier. As you can see, not walking backwards and spraying, making sure I've got the right size nozzle here. I switched to a more of a laser point kind of deal there. And again, find a spot, spray, and then beware that other hand's always on that hose so I know where that is. Again, I'm looking back before I'm making those steps instead of just walking backwards, which is where we could run into issues. We also did the other side where we literally just walked from end to end, cleaned about 2 or 3 feet wide with soap every single time. Here I'm going obviously a lot longer. Similar process to what we did on the back side of it. Again, the goal here was to get it completely coated, not have to overuse on solution. We had to do this in the evening and also see it by the cloud cover in the back that it was not a super bright sunny day. So that's pretty much it here. We had to do a couple little spot checks and cleanups, just very minor on there. Had this been a sunny, nice day, it would have been even quicker and better results too.